How to fix Cinema HD app not working. If you're experiencing issues with the Cinema HD app not working or loading stream, this is a common problem that many users have encountered. So here are some steps you can follow to resolve this issue. First of all, check the internet connection. Simply drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try restarting your router or modem if necessary as well. Now, once done so, go back to the home screen and this time look for the App Store on your mobile device or Google Play Store for your Android and simply tap on it. Now there in the search address bar, search for the Cinema HD, and if there is an update option available, then simply tap on the update. Check for updates within the app or visit the official website to download the latest version also, because the latest version ensures the bug fixes. Now once done so, go to the Settings app on your mobile device. And once inside the Settings app, all you have to do is tap on the General option available there. Now tap on the iPhone storage. Now here in iPhone storage, from the list of the apps, scroll down and look for the Cinema HD option available there and tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you can see Upload app. Again tap on it and upload the Cinema HD app and reinstall it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.